Welcome everyone to Bridge course in the mathematics. This course is specially designed for FYT and SYT student. I am taking this lecture 3. In last two lectures we have understood the concept of calculus and what is derivative. We also learned derivative with rate of change of one quantity with respect to other quantity. Now in this lecture I am going to teach you basic rules of differentiation. So using these formulas you can differentiate any function. Okay, so let me take you to the further. Consider the derivative of basic functions. Here I am making two columns. One will write function. It can be represented as y is equal to something or f of x is given. Its derivative is known as dy by dx or f dash of x. Okay. Consider the first function. If it is of the form x raised to n, its derivative is nx n minus 1. So this power x raised to any power, we take that power n outside, then x, and we subtract 1 from this power. So understood this? This rule we use in most of the problems. Next, second function k. K is any constant. If you take the derivative of a constant, you will get yes, it is equal to 0. If you have constant multiple of x, if k is constant multiplied with x, you will take that constant as it is and you just differentiate x. So derivative of kx is equal to k. Next, what is this k? K is called constant. Fourth, if you have root of x, remember root of x can be also, derivative is also obtained by x raised to half, and you can use the first rule to differentiate this function. But this is a shortcut formula. You can remember this formula, 1 upon 2 root of x. Okay, we will in the latter part of the lecture, we will also going to learn how this derivative is coming. Fifth function, 1 upon x. The derivative is minus 1 upon x square. This can be also used by the first formula. 1 upon x can be written as x raised to minus 1. Then you can obtain this minus 1, x raised to minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 1 into x raised to minus 2, you will also get it to be equal to minus 1 upon x square. Let us take the example. Okay, if y is equal to x raised to 7 by 3, then find dy upon dx. Differentiation of y with respect to x can be written as dy by dx और y dash और y dot. इन तीनों में से कोई भी चीज़ आप रिप्रेजेंटेशन के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. जनरली हम लोग ये टर्म यूज़ करते हैं, dy by dx. अभी y का फॉर्म कौन सा है? x रेज टू n वाला फॉर्म. सो dy by dx क्या होगा? n इंटू एक्स रेज टू n माइनस 1. दिस विल बी द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अ फंक्शन. अभी n यहाँ पे क्या वैल्यू है? 7 by 3. देयरफॉर dy by dx क्या होगा? n x n माइनस 1. सो 7 by 3 माइनस 1 करो, कितना होगा? सिंप्लीफिकेशन 7 by 3 x रेज टू 4 by 3. ये 4 by 3 कैसे आया? 7 by 3 माइनस 1 upon 1. देन अप्लाई ab minus bc. Yes, that formula you can apply and you will get this as a answer. Consider y is equal to 1 upon root x. Then what will be happen to dy by dx? डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा इसका? 1 upon root x मतलब क्या है? 1 upon x रेज टू पावर हाफ. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कोई पावर है तो उसको क्या होता है? माइनस साइन यू कैन अप्लाई. सो y इज इक्वल टू x रेज टू माइनस 1 by 2. ओके, Again you have the same equation, y is equal to x raised to n. What is the derivative? N x raised to n minus 1. Calculate the derivative. Minus half x raised to minus half minus 1. So minus 1, ये 2 इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, minus 1 minus 2 will become minus 3 and 2 डिनोमिनेटर में 2 बचेगा. So minus half into x raised to minus 3 by 2. So this is your derivative of a 1 upon root x. So we'll simplify it. If power is negative, in denominator power become positive. अभी हम देखते हैं डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस. So we have already derived 5 formulas. Now this is 6th one. 6th formula will be sin x. The derivative is sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. And derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. So ये फॉर्मूले जब ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन आपके डेरिवेटिव में अप्लाई होंगे तब अप्लाई करना. ओके. नेक्स्ट 12th one. If derivative of e raised to x, you will take e raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x मतलब 2 raised to x, 3 raised to x, ऐसा कोई फंक्शन हुआ तो क्या होता है डेरिवेटिव? a raised to x into log of a. 14th, if you have log of x, then derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Remember this formula very carefully. By heart कर लो all the 14 formulas. Next is, now we know that the derivative of x cube, but if there is constant multiple, what you have to do, it is a rule. Okay, if there is a constant multiplied with f of x, then derivative में constant as it is रहता है. Okay, what is derivative of constant? It is 0. but अगर constant function के साथ multiply है, so you have to take constant outside and you have to differentiate the function. So what will happen? अभी y के लिए क्या है? 4x cube. So y is c of f of x. c का वैल्यू कितना है? 4. f of x क्या है? x cube. So what is the derivative? Derivative is, you have to calculate derivative of f of x as it is. वैसे 4 is treated as a constant. So let us take 4 as it is रखा है. What is the derivative of x cube? Derivative of x cube is n x raised to n minus 1. n का वैल्यू 3 है, you can take it outside. 3 x raised to 3 minus 1. So you will be getting final answer to be 12x square. If y is equal to 20 tan x, what is y dash? Again same principle is applied. If y is equal to c times f of x, y dash क्या होता है? c times f dash of x. So 20 as it is रखा है बाहर. What is the derivative of tan x? Tan x का derivative है sec square x. Understood? Thank you. Try more examples at home. Be safe. Stay home. Stay safe. Keep watching for the next video. Thank you.